Every database has its own SQL. So, for example, Microsoft, MySQL, Oracle have some differences when querying towards the database. ANSI stands only for the standardization. So once when you know Oracle SQL, you already also know ANSI SQL. Each database, for example, Microsoft, MySQL, or Oracle, has additional features on the ANSI SQL. So for this topic, there are only two key points. Once, if you know Oracle SQL, you know ANSI SQL. So you really quickly adapt to other databases. And the second one, that difference between the ANSI and Oracle SQL, it's not tested on the exam. Okay? Let's jump straight ahead to some examples just to show you the difference between ANSI and Oracle SQL. So I have my SQL developer up and running, and I prepared two queries. Those two queries are completely identical when we look at the results. And in the background, they do the same thing. The first one is written as an Oracle join. So the join is performed on the job ID in the where clause. While in the ANSI join, we have a standard join keyword in the from. If we want to do an outer join on Oracle, for example, left outer join, we're going to add the plus sign on the right field, right? This would be the same as left outer join. Excellent. So those two queries, again, would produce the same result. The thing is that the complete ANSI works on Oracle, but the Oracle standardization, so the addition to ANSI, won't work on other databases. So for example, this kind of a query with outer join would not work on some other database. Another difference between ANSI and Oracle SQL is in commit. So this is the standard ANSI commit. So when we make some changes to the tables, for example, insertion, we're going to do the commit work command, right? Oracle also works if you just write command. Okay. So again, not to forget, you do not need to know the differences between ANSI and Oracle on the exam. Each database only has some additions to its language. And just to mention, on the job, if you're working with Oracle databases, more often you're gonna encounter this kind of join, especially for inner joins. For example, this is an inner join on job ID over the employees and job state, right? However, on the exam, most of the time, you're gonna go on the ANSI join. Have that in mind so you can master this kind of joins. See you in the next one.